Attributes define the properties of an object, like a car's color or model. Methods are functions that allow objects to perform actions, such as accelerating or braking. Together, attributes and methods enable objects to encapsulate data and behavior, forming the core of object-oriented programming. Objects and classes are the core of object-oriented programming. Classes act as blueprints, defining attributes and methods, while objects are instances of these classes, embodying the defined structure. Attributes store data, and methods define behavior, working together to create functional, self-contained units. This foundational understanding is crucial for leveraging object-oriented programming's full potential. Object-oriented programming, OOP, models real-world entities as objects, aligning code with our natural thinking. Objects encapsulate data and behavior, creating self-contained units. This paradigm fosters modular, reusable, and scalable code, enhancing maintainability and extensibility as projects evolve. A class acts as a blueprint, defining the structure and behavior of objects, specifying attributes and methods. It serves as a reusable template. An object is a specific instance of a class, possessing unique attribute values while sharing the class's structure. For example, if the class is car, an object could be your unique Toyota Camry. Consider the car class with attributes like color, model, year, and mileage, and methods such as start, stop, and accelerate. Each object, like a red Toyota Camry or a blue Honda Accord, is a unique instance with specific attribute values, yet shares the same structure and behavior defined by the car class. Attributes are variables that hold an object's data and state. They come in two types: instance attributes, unique to each object, and class attributes, shared across all instances. In Python, attributes are defined within a class and accessed through methods, allowing objects to maintain and modify their unique characteristics. Attributes are variables within a class or object, representing its properties. They store data defining an object's state, such as color, model, year, and mileage for a car. Attributes store object-specific information, define the current state, and can be accessed or modified through methods, distinguishing one object from another. Instance attributes are unique to each object, defined in the constructor, like color and mileage for each car. Class attributes are shared by all instances, such as the wheel count. Access modifiers control attribute visibility, with types like public, private, and protected, determining how attributes can be accessed within or outside the class. In Python, class attributes like wheels are shared among all instances, ensuring consistency and memory efficiency. Instance attributes such as color, model, and year are unique to each object, allowing individual customization. For example, Car 1 is red and a 2020 Camry, while Car 2 is blue and a 2022 Accord, demonstrating distinct object states.